kickstart this edition with some news just coming in. A big statement has been made by RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat. He says the society to which violence is dear is now counting its last days. Non-violent and peaceful loving people will stay. He further adds that violence does not benefit anybody, emphasizing the need to bring together all communities and preserve humanity. His comments come against the backdrop of recent clashes between different groups in several parts of the country. Pankaj Upadhyay is getting us more details on that. A significant statement coming in as far as the communal clashes, Pankaj, that we've been seeing in different parts of the country, isn't it?
Absolutely, Sneha. So in the present political environment, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh's chief's statement saying that violence does not benefit any society, and all those people who wish that violence should take place, in a society are counting their last days. He has also said that all communities need to come together. He's emphasized on the need for saving humanity. And as you rightly pointed out, at a time when the nation has seen violent clashes in various parts of the country during Ram Navami or during Hanuman Jayanti as well, be it on various issues, be it on the issue of hijab, be it on the issue of Hanuman Chalisa, and the kind of politics that has taken place. This statement is very, very significant. Mohan Bhagwat has said that all the communities need to live in peace. Humanity is most important. Violence does not benefit anybody, and the society which is thriving on violence is counting its days. So at a very significant juncture, when the violence acts at various parts of the country are making headline, and there are political statements coming every now and then in this regard, a very significant statement that has been given out by RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat.
Pankaj Upadhyay, we leave it there for the moment. Thank you for getting us all of those details.